This is a 2005 Ford 500. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter V6. Features include a multi-link rear suspension, big 18-inch wheels, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, dual airbags, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a power passenger seat, air conditioning, and 7 intelligently positioned speakers, producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Bill Collins Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4220 Bardstown Road in Louisville.